to Devil's Den, Florida today. It's about an hour and a half away. It's a prehistoric spring location. We're super excited, man. It's just a big hole in the ground, really. So at this place, you do have to make appointments, unfortunately. Appointments at 1:30, you stay for an hour and a half. So we're gonna be there until about 3. So I'll see y'all then. So you know, you had to get the matching Birkenstocks, you know what I'm saying? I'm gonna throw these on my lady, man. Let's see how they'll go. Yeah.
Oh my god, what's wrong with you? Like your glasses? Where you get those from?
Man, I had these, man.
Those are nice.
I like yours. You're right. Top Gun pilot.
I'm pull you over.
Don't worry about that, man. I got one valuable time.
Time of what?
We have to get to the prehistoric spring.
It's not prehistoric, bro.
Yeah, it is. It's labeled prehistoric. Man, put the Birks on. They look like they fit. Little dinosaur feet.
Okay, first of all, baby, who got dinosaur feet?
You.
Them little ass trunks.
I'm 5.
Make me.
Oh my god. Definitely gonna have to snag some fruit. PLOG GoPro edition. Not all heroes wear capes. Good lord.
That's so funny. What's it called? The sweet turkey or the 6 feet, motherfucker.
What?
6 feet. We in a pandemic right now.
That's why you're not gonna want a $25 gift card. Look, prehistoric.
You saying that like nobody believes.
Because there's
you.
dinosaurs back here.
What the fuck? No,
Yes, there is. You gotta read them all.
You said what?
You gotta read them all.
Yes, you should have signed. Yes, you get there.
Why are you nervous?
Cause we go underground. Black people don't go underground.
This junk is so far.
Thing on your back. Let me get it.
No, just leave it. The water will take care of it. Look how deep it is. That's where I am. Yo.
Oh hell no.
Look at the water, bro. I'm gonna toss you the camera.
Ooh, Mitchell, I don't know.
You don't know about what?
I don't know. I can't do that.
She's gonna wear her sunglasses in the hole. Because it's going underground.
This one is cold.
Says begin last dive before 4 p.m. We really underground.
Oh, it's so small. Oh, geez. I can't do that.
Oh, that's beautiful. Yeah, they got this in here. It isn't. Yeah. Damn. It's still going as you want. it later this summer. Amazing. Little prehistoric spring.
Oh my god, you're in the prehistoric.
Now it was a little jumpy at first, but we got her in there, right? It was definitely dinosaurs down deep below.
Oh, what is that with you? This prehistoric. Why do you think we in Jurassic Park?
Good time. Definitely recommend it.
Satanical force. Satanical?
Pray over you.
No, not satanic.
No.
What's the centrifugal?
Okay.
You know what I'm talking about?
Alright.
You know what
No.
is it? Centrifugal?
Centrifugal force?
That's what I said.
That's the force that as what are you talking about? Anyways.
That's what we're gonna get us.
Alright. Do our little thing.
You know the vibes, man.
Bye.